Tired of staring at raw time data and wishing you could unlock its hidden potential? Let's dive right into exporting your Clockify desktop app recordings to Excel, so you can transform that data into actionable insights. First, make sure you have the Clockify desktop application open and you're logged into your account. Now, navigate to the Report section. It's usually located in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your reporting options. Once you're in the Report section, select the detailed report type. This report provides the most comprehensive data for exporting. Customize your report by using the filter options to specify the date range, projects, users, or tags you want to include in your export. Make sure you're selecting the specific data you want to analyze in Excel. After you've set your filters, locate the Export button. It's generally positioned near the top right corner of the report page. Click on the Export button, and a drop-down menu will appear. Choose Excel as your desired export format. Your browser will then download the data as an Excel file. This file contains all the time tracking information you selected, neatly organized into columns and rows. Now, simply open the downloaded Excel file, and you're ready to analyze your Clockify data. Create custom reports, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions to improve your project management. Go unlock those insights.